I'm not just no anybody. I got status. Hey, flexing, 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 I live lavish. I'm not just no anybody. I'm no average. Yeah, I get to that.
Good morning, guys. Y'all, today I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm doing the nail vlog and the hair vlog. The Uber is soon to be here. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to vlog today because today I'm getting my hair and nails done. So if y'all new to my channel, what's poppin'? We're finna get this vlog started and I'm finna go get in the Uber. And I'm gonna tell y'all about this more later.
Jazmyn?
Yes. I'm getting right now. To go, we're on the way to go get my nails done. So yeah, me and my sister. Yeah, so we're gonna pull up at the nail shop. Yeah.
The stretch?
No. That way. That way. And then you go right up here.
Right?
Yeah, at the parking. We on the left. Okay, y'all, so we had to walk to the nail shop because he went to the wrong place and didn't even speak English.
And then he didn't hear me say stop. Like,
Nigga.
and I didn't want to waste time with him turning him back around. So he just walked away.
Bow, bow, bow. So she just did my nails. I'm getting coffee in like different color blues. So we gonna see how this goes. Baby girl. I'm gonna show you how they look. I'm gonna show y'all how Baddie toner. It was up to the motherfucking vlog. Yeah, she got her feet done.
Yep. Y'all know, if y'all would have seen how my toes look.
Yeah, my girl just, it's her birthday. So right now I'm just waiting on my sister. This is still the vlog too. So right now, after this, we're going to...
I'm getting my nails done next.
Yeah, she getting her nails done next. And then we're gonna go to this clothing store. Then after we go to this clothing store, we're gonna go to the fitness supply. Then after we go to the fitness supply, we're gonna go to get her some bundles. After we go to some bundles, we're gonna at home and we're getting our hair done. So let the haters hate. That's just that on that. I put the whole connect. I'm waiting on my sister to get her nails done. Yeah. Oh my, This way every time they see me, I got some new shoes.
Bitch, birthday tomorrow. Fuck what a nigga talking about, period.
Yep, her birthday's tomorrow.
Call me when you get up, baby. We been up and active.
Booties. Ooh, period, poo.
Period. I'm not.
Period.
My feet ain't done. Y'all just talking about my feet. Look, bitch.
She back. She back. Nobody tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, you know me, my friend. Cheated on my bank. You can go. My life is a move. But right in the move. Travel some food. I go out. On my high girl stuff. Go to the beach spot. Where did little tramp go?
Bitch, I got a good mood.
You?
I'm farting this shit.
That was nasty. Okay. We shopping in the bridge supply. So we finna
You bitches can't even spell beauty supply.
spill it. Okay, y'all can't. I know. Okay, tell
I
Caneva.
keep scratching myself. Bro, where is the
What you looking for?
big cat?
Ask her.
I'm just skip that for right now. Exactly.
Excuse me, where's your wig caps?
It's out on top right. Oh my god, we just been walking past it.
So yeah, right now we in my look. And we just got done. And we didn't want to go eat. I forgot to vlog. But now we're gonna go get some bundles. And then we're gonna go home. And we're gonna do this.
You have fun.
So yeah.
I don't.
Alright y'all, so right now I'm fixed to get my hair done. And I'm not gonna record the beginning process, but y'all finna see me go from this to a bad bitch. And I'm just gonna say it. Cause that's the only word. I'm so Canova. But just wait on it.
Stop.
The process, nigga, I gotta put in video. What's up, y'all? So I didn't even get to film the process of me getting my hair done, really. But this is the finishing product, y'all. I'm really in love with this wig, and I'm like feeling this. This is a lace frontal wig, so yeah. Y'all, I'm so excited because it's my first time, and I feel like I look good. This part keep on falling over though. But I feel like I look damn good, and fuck who don't say, fuck who think otherwise, okay? But anyways, y'all, that's go. Alright, y'all, but anyways, this is gonna be the end of this video. If y'all liked, don't forget to go watch my most recent videos. They will all be like probably after this video, but go check them out. Make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications if y'all enjoy it, and see y'all in my next video. Peace. Don't forget, banging pretty rich, gang, these niggas can't hang with the gang, and I'm out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.